Hello, we are discussing GATE 2003 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is electronic devices. This is first 2-mark question came in GATE 2003. An N-type silicon bar 0.1 centimeters long and 100 micrometer square in cross-sectional area has a majority carrier concentration of 5 into 10 power 20 per meter cube and the carrier mobility is 0.13 meter square per volt second at 300 degree Kelvin. If the charge of the electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, then the resistance of the bar is A 10 power 6 ohms, B 10 power 4 ohms, C 10 power minus 1 ohm, D 10 power minus 4 ohms. Correct answer for this question is A 10 power 6 ohms. The information given from the question is N-type silicon bar whose length is 0.1 centimeters and we have to convert all the units into same. So all units must be in same dimension, so that centimeters must be converted into meters. So 0.1 centimeters we are writing it as 10 power minus 3 meters. Area of the semiconductor silicon bar is 100 micrometer square and ND donor concentration is 5 into 10 power 20 per meter cube and mobility of electron is 0.13 meter square per volt second. Q is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. We need to calculate resistance of the bar. We know that one resistance can be calculated from rho L by A. Simple equation for resistance. Rho is nothing but resistivity. Here rho is resistivity, resistivity is reciprocal of conductivity. So here we can write L is nothing but here L by, instead of rho we can write as 1 by sigma. So now sigma into A it becomes. Since it is N type, we are giving with N suffix for sigma. So L by sigma N into A. Sigma N is conductivity of N type. Conductivity of N type is approximately equal to Nd into Q into mu N. When we neglect majority carriers and we assume majority carriers is approximately equal to donor concentration. So this is L by Nd into Q into mu N into area. So L is given 0.1 centimeters, that is 10 power minus 3 meters. Nd given 5 into 10 power 20 per meter cube. Q is given 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Mu N is also given, mobility of electron 0.13 meter square per volt second. Area is also given 100 micrometer square. If you substitute all these values, you are going to get resistance as 10 power 6 ohms. So the correct answer for the given question is A 10 power 6 ohms. Thank you.